Ito naman, AZ.
It's from Larky.
Wala pa akong masyadong alam sa'yo. Pero okay lang yan. Alam ko, siguro, nung nabasa mo rin yung letter, kasi hindi ko rin alam kung anong tatanungin ko eh. Kasi baka masyadong personal. 'Di ba? Hindi ko naman alam eh. So I don't know if I could say, uy, kamusta naman yung, 'di ba? Baka may matrigger.
Yung, when you mentioned this, kasi diba,
'Di ba?
may mga
Pumipili ako.
gifts.
Yeah.
Nakatatak na talaga sa utak ko from my mom. So, sobrang excited na ako. Ano kaya pinadala ng mom ko? When you said his name, sobrang nagulat ako. Hindi ko talaga in-expect. Kasi, there's a guy outside. I've been with him for 2 years already. Pero, sobrang rough road. Like,
Sobrang rough.
rough talaga na relationship namin. And toxic. Very, very toxic. The whole process of me auditioning for PBB and the whole talaga, ayaw niya. He wasn't supportive of me coming here. So, parang I had to choose PBB
Love or career.
or ganun. Kasi ayaw niya cause no contact, distance, and yung mga possibilities like
May ma-meet.
may ma-meet, mga ganun. And um, bago yung days na pumasok dito, we broke up. Pero we were still in contact. So pumasok ako dito unsure or unclear kung kami pa rin ba. Then, knowing him din kasi, nakatatak